What's happening, people? Today we got something unusual today. This is a Formula 2 car. It's got a Ford 2-litre Z-Tech engine. It's running about 136 horsepower. We just done 5 runs on there, about 200 newton meters of torque. It's actually a full contact sport, so you can whack people out the way. But the funny thing is, you only go left, so it's a circuit, and you just go left. Let me show you how we get out of this car, yeah? Well, race car. So you got... You push this in, right? Push it in. Pull it out. Yeah. I needed a hand with this. Right, let go. Yeah, so you take the steering wheel off, and then you gotta come out this way, right? Just whack my head.
My exhaust is hot.
Alright, yeah, this is definitely not for me. Alright. And we're out.